Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. All right, I got a good one for you guys today. This is a quick lesson on the indicator that is known as the RSI. This right here is called the RSI and is a very useful tool. We're going to go into Bitcoin. It's a very useful tool. Actually, let's go to Ethereum because it's much cooler. Let's go on the 5-day. All right. It's a very useful tool to measure if something is oversold, overbought, and it's an indicator for bullish or bearish. Which bearish means if the market is bearish, that means if you were to be hit by a bear would maul you down and you would go down. So when someone says it's bearish, it means it's tending to go down. And if someone says they're bullish on something, that means they think that it's going to go up. If a bull were to hit you, it would go up in the air. Okay, so this is the RSI. If you go to tradingview.com, you can get a free account and you get 3 free indicators. Now, I have 5. I have the paid version, but you can still get this as an indicator. All you got to do is go to indicators, type in RSI, and then boom. There you go. It's right there. You just click on it, and it will come up. Now, what this can do for you, and I'm using my laptop. I usually use my desktop computer to look at charts, but I can still relay. Let me get rid of this moon. These are all my indicators over here. Okay. So now here we have the Ethereum chart. Okay. Let's zoom this down. Now, when the indicator is above, let's do this. There we go. It's really wonky on the laptop. I usually use my desktop to do this, but I can still show you, but I can't record with it. Okay, now when it is below this dotted line, here's the dotted line, and then this is the high dotted line. Now, not typically, but always, when it's below the dotted line, that is a signal that it is an extreme oversold. This would be neutral. This is in between, and below that, it would signal relatively oversold. This would be relatively overbought, and this would be extreme overbought. Now, as you can see, like the market, this is fucking weird on here, but we will figure it out. Like, look, extreme overbought. This was the peak. Okay. This is into extreme oversold territory. And this is also extreme overbought, the absolute peak of the market. Okay? So that is a general thing that you can get a general sentiment on where the market is looking like. Okay, so here's the 2017 bull run. 2018 technically. As you can see, extreme overbought. Okay? And then it came crashing back down to not extreme oversold, but very on the higher end. Now, right here, this marked the actual bottom of the market, and it was extreme oversold. It became extreme overbought. You get a little rally. Look, let's just zoom in and show you this. Here's a perfect example of how you can long-term swing trade this. Okay. So you can go over here to this ruler, and we're just going to measure from this extreme oversold point to this extreme overbought point. You just click it. Damn, why is it not working? Ah, dog it. See, I usually use my, we gotta do it perfectly. I usually use my desktop and it's much easier, but this is very rough. I'm just giving you the idea. So from the extreme oversold point to the extreme overbought point, it'll show you 215 days. Okay, and it went up 311%. So that means had you have just been long this position, you would have made 3x on your money. And this is in the bear market. Okay, this isn't even like the bull market pumps over here. This is in the depths of the bear market. Okay, now I look back at all of Ethereum's history and pretty much every cryptocurrency. Another indicator that you can add to your tally, not only when it's extreme oversold, extreme overbought, but when it crosses this threshold right here. See how it looped down? It crossed below. It crossed below, and then it crossed up. Every time it crosses up, this purple line crosses the yellow line. This is a bullish, very bullish indicator. And then the same thing. When it crosses again the yellow line, now it's bearish. See that? Crosses the yellow line, the purple line crosses, and then boom, bullish. Right at the peak too. Like literally right at the peak. As soon as it peaks and starts heading down, get out. Okay? Now I'm not telling you, this is where you should start. You should start looking at charts and seeing what they're doing. But this is a very good indicator to take a look at. Now let's look at this massive bull run right here. Okay? So it technically would have started right here, would have been the first cross. Well, right before the bull run. Okay? So this cross to this cross, let's see how much we're looking at. So about right here, this is going to be very rough. And then we're going to go, well, man, it even gets you like before this little pullback right here. This is 121 days, 500. So this is a 5x on your money. Okay. So, and then boom, it crosses down. And then you can see right here, as it crosses down, it pulls back. Okay. See that? Crosses down. Market pulls back. These are 5-day candles. So every candle that you see is 5 days. So this is more of a macro view, but that's a better strategy in my opinion. Long-term buy and hold and long-term taking profit opportunities. We're not trying to buy and sell every single day. That's more along a gambling. Okay? But here we go. Crosses again. And look at this massive bull run. Crosses again, massive pullback. Crosses again, massive bull run. Go look at the charts and just sort of play around with this. Okay? But that's it for this time. I just want to give you a quick lesson on RSI indicator and how you can implement it. Again, actually, that's not it for this time. This is the RSI indicator. Now, if you look at Ethereum, I just want to give you a quick couple things to keep your eyes on. Okay? So this is a 5-day chart, but we are massively oversold on Ethereum, and we are very close to a cross. Now, I looked at the charts. XRP, it's literally touching the line, and it's has had a recent massive pullback. Okay? Link is barely on top of the line here. and it's had a massive pullback. So these are some things that I'm keeping my eyes on. Okay. What was the other one? I think this one's really close, but Link was for sure one that was truly on top of it, which is it had the true cross. Hex is close. These are things to just keep an eye on. Like all of these are really close. XLM is very close. Oh, Raven was the other one. Raven has like officially crossed. So these are some ones that I might take a long position on, which long means you think the market is going to go up, and short means you think the market's going to go down. Because you can make money when the market goes up and when it goes down. You don't have to just make money when the market goes up. So there's two ways to make money with crypto or stocks. Well, there's many ways, but the main way as far as long-term swing trade or day trading would be buy low, sell high. That would be longing the market, okay? And you can also actually sell high and buy low. That would be a short position. You're shorting the market. You're betting that the market is going to go down. You can buy up here and then sell down here. I'm sorry. You can sell these shares at this price. I said that backwards. At 7 cents, and then you buy back at 2 cents or whatever. You get the idea. So you can make money when the market goes up and when the market goes down. So that's it for this time. I just want to give you a quick lesson and some coins that I'm keeping my eyes on as well. All right. So peace, love, prosperity. I'm out.